Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to change server in Grow a Garden Roblox. Alright, let's begin. First, go to Google and search for BT Roblox. Click on the first result and select Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking Add Extension. Once added, BT Roblox will modify your Roblox web experience to unlock new features. Now go back to the Roblox website and refresh the page. The layout will look slightly different. In the search bar, type Grow a Garden under the Experiences section. Click on the game to open its main page. Scroll down until you see the Server List section. You'll see both private servers and public servers listed. Keep scrolling to find public servers with different player counts. Click the drop-down menu that says Number of Players and sort the list in ascending order. This will show servers with the fewest players at the top. From here, choose the server you want to join by clicking Join next to it. The Roblox game client will now launch and connect you to the selected server. This is useful for finding emptier servers, joining friends, or avoiding crowded areas. So that's basically how you can change server in Grow a Garden Roblox. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks!